In today's video, we're gonna talk about my new sponsor, G-Force. So you know that I'm actually doing a K20 swap in my 300 ZX. To get that done, it's need to have an adapter plate to fit the K20 to the 300 ZX transmission. And that's where G-Force Performance come to help me in that project. They are actually a manufacturer in US, so their specialty is high quality parts for transmission swap, adapter plate, custom flywheels, and many other performance parts. So I'm really happy because they sent me their kit that fit the K20 swap to a 300 ZX transmission, and it's have everything in it. It's have the pilot bushing adapter for the spline of the transmission. It will have adapter plate. Wow. Look at the quality of this, as you can see. It's beautiful, good quality adapter plate. I really like it. And the next thing is the flywheel. Ooh, look at the nice baby. As you can see, the center is meant to fit the K20, but it's have the bolt pattern of the VG30 engine. So all clutch that is for VG30 engine will fit on this. I'm sponsored by Uniclutch, so it's gonna be a Uniclutch gonna go on this one. And as you can see, it's really nice quality, made in US. As you can see, it's a SFI certificate. So it's it's been approved by the certification of SFI. It's all made in US, and damn, it looks so good. Really nice quality. So in the kit, it will have a plate to cover the whole of the K20 starter because it will use the 300 ZX starter. It's come with all the hardware with it, and of course, it's come with stickers. We all love stickers. You can go check their website. So the company, it's called G-Force Performance, but their website is crossmember.com. I will put the link in the description of the video. And the other gift they sent me, which is make me really happy because I don't have to deal with this, is their engine mount. Look at them, so beefy. They have polyurethane rubbers. So this is gonna be really stiff and really good feeling for the engine. And even if it's for 300 ZX transmission, doesn't mean the K20 will go in a 300 ZX transmission. So their engine mount kit are like universal. So you will have to cut and weld the way you want it fit, depending if it's for 300 ZX or another cars. So I'm really happy because the quality of their kit is really good. I can see like the welding, it's really nice welding. It's all painted, and it's have like big anodized bolt, and it's have like good quality bushing. So their company is in US, so they're well known to do high quality product. And yeah, I'm gonna link their website in the description. And then for now, I will show you for the K20. The plate adapter will go in the rear with the flywheel. Then I will put my Uniclutch on it, and I will install the K20 in the 300 ZX. I will start checking for making fit the engine mount so the engine can sit in the hole. But one of my small issue, the oil pickup line is right in the middle of the K20 where I put my pink marks right here. As you can see, the cross member is right at the wrong place, and what I have to do will next step to do an oil pan with an adapter plate that go behind the oil pump, and it will relocate it, the oil pickup line, maybe in the front or maybe in the rear, I will see. So the next step is gonna be the oil pan. So soon there's the Fuji Z Festival. It's the biggest Faraday Z gathering in Japan. It's held over like 1,500 cars every year. So I really hope I can make the car ready to go there, but I might bring the car on the towing because other than the tow truck, I don't think it will be ready to bring. So yeah, I have to figure out for the oil pan, and then I will have to clean up the engine bay, because since the 300 ZX got really dirty, I want to clean up the engine bay and then like remove the harness. I want to relocate it, the fuse box under the lights, so it's look like a wire tuck engine bay I want to do. And yeah, that's gonna be the next step for the next days. So I'm happy to just show you my new parts that arrived for the 300 ZX. I will make another video soon to do the assembly, because what I want to do is really clean up the engine bay, and then I will start installing the parts and then do a test fit, checking what is fitting well. One of the issues I might encounter is the hood, because the valve cover on K20 are quite high. So evenly I have like a low clearance oil pan, and I have like the lowest possible engine mount. It's not impossible that the cover will hit the hood. So I might try to look for an alternative for the hood bonnet. Some people told me like the Stong 2 magnesium cam cover is much shorter, so I might go with that one, and I will change it. So if someone know where I can hook up a deal on one of the Scon 2 low clearance cam cover, let me know in the comment. It's gonna be that's it for today's update, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment and share. It's really appreciated, and I see you next time. Drive safely. Ciao.